There he goes.
Yeah.
Oh, we're turning you around.
So he's off.
Anyway, you like, as long as you.
Horrible hill to start.
Yeah. Oh, that's a bit of red tape round it. I just want to make you feel you're visible, mate, because as you so rightly said back there, what a road to drive on. Do you know what I mean? Some fucking selector. Some fucking foreigner driving the wrong side of the road. Like there, yeah.
And remember to start the pedometer or whatever it is, the mileage thing at
It's already done.
0.
She's reset.
I think he's cheating getting a head start.
I reckon he's still beating, mate.
Is that live?
Yeah. You happy like that?
Job.
What? How's it going? Got saddle sores on my bumhole.
Have you put some Vaseline on?
Hey?
You
Yeah,
put
I put
Vaseline
some
on?
Vaseline on my eyes with sand in it.
You've still got enough. Oh, no, God.
What?
Hold on, I'll